In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to fix exposure and color issues quickly using ProcAmp. ProcAmp is a basic correction tool that allows you to adjust brightness, contrast, saturation, and hue in just a few sliders. This is perfect when your footage is slightly overexposed, underexposed, or lacking color. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for ProcAmp. Drag the ProcAmp effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. You'll now see the ProcAmp settings. Start with brightness. Increase it if your footage looks dark. Reduce it slightly if it looks too bright. Next, adjust contrast. Increase contrast to add depth and make the image less flat. Lower it if the footage looks too harsh. Now, adjust saturation. If the colors look dull, increase saturation slightly. If they look too strong or unnatural, reduce it. Finally, you have hue. Hue shifts all the colors slightly. You normally don't need to change this much, but it can help if the overall tone looks off. Make small adjustments and watch the preview carefully. ProcAmp is meant for quick fixes, not heavy color grading. Once balanced properly, your footage should look brighter, more vibrant, and properly exposed. And that's it. You now know how to quickly fix exposure and color issues using ProcAmp in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.